Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install PyCharm on an Ubuntu machine. Now, PyCharm is an IDE that we can use to write software programs, and this one doesn't come installed by default. So let's say you wanted to write programs in Python and you needed an IDE. One of the ones you can use is PyCharm. And for us to install it, there's just a few commands we'll need to run. I'm going to begin by opening the terminal. And then the first thing we'll do here is we'll check if we actually have Python installed. So it should be Python version 3. So we do have it installed, Python 3.10. So this one comes pre-installed on Ubuntu if you're running the latest version. Or we can just test it out, say for +5. You know, and we can just exit. Now, one of the tools you want to have when you're working with the Python packages is the pip tool, which is used to install Python packages. So let's go ahead and install that. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Okay, so it says Python 3 pip is already installed and it's on its newest version. Now we can go ahead and install PyCharm. Now let's use the snap tool. Snap install PyCharm. PyCharm community. So we install the community version, which is free, the free version, and then let's say classic. And it's gonna prompt for the password again. So it's downloading. So let me pause here the video and come back once it's done. So as we can see here, PyCharm community 2023.3 from JetBrains has been installed. Now we can run it using this command PyCharm -community and then unsigned to have it run in the background. Press enter. And there it is. So just select I confirm and then continue. You can send the statistics, so you can say don't send. So as you can see, we have an icon here. You can just click on this icon. And let me minimize this. And this is the PyCharm right here. It says, welcome to PyCharm. Now what you can do is, if you have already a project, you can open it. Or you can create a new one. Just click on this plus sign. And then you can name it. You can give your project a name. So it says Python project. That's the name it's giving it. This is the location where it's going to place the files. So let me change this to test project. I'm going to leave everything else as default. Now it tells you here which the project will be created in. It's giving you the directory or the folder. It's also telling you the interpreter type, and then it's giving you the Python version that's running, and then the virtual environment. It's going to be created in this directory right here. So once you're done with these options, you just click create to create your project. And this is the project folder right here, test project. I can expand it. And then now if you wanted to create your file, so right click on this. And then you can say new Python file. And you can give it a name, let's say test. Press enter. And here we have the test.py. This is the Python file. Now let's go ahead and just do a quick test here. I'm gonna say print, I'm gonna say and then to run it, I'm just gonna click on this right here, and it's gonna run down here in the console. This is the output. So you can move this window. For instance, if you wanted to move it to the top right, you can right click on this area right here, and then you can click on move to right top. I'm just gonna show here, and you can adjust this if you want it. You can adjust these windows. So that's it. That's it for this video. That's how you can install PyCharm on an Ubuntu machine. So I hope this information has been useful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye.